There's always a few tasks that I just don't feel like doing. I always think it's going to take longer than it actually does. So in this video, I'm going to eat that frog and I'm going to take care of 4 tasks in the kitchen that I've been putting off. Let's get it started. This video is brought to you by Apron Diva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. So task number 1 is going to be to wash my placemats. They have to be hand washed and then they have to be laid out to dry. And it takes 3 or 4 days for them to dry, so I just put it off because I think it's going to take a long time, when it actually doesn't. So I'm going to get those washed and then hung out to dry, and in the meantime I've got some other ones that I will use. The second task that I'm going to work on is going to be the microwave, because by the time I get done with the placemats, which will take a little bit of elbow power, I want to do something that's going to be a little less intense. So to clean the microwave, I am going to put some vinegar and water in this bowl, and then I'm going to put this paper towel in that bowl and then just kind of let it sit in the microwave. I'm going to turn the microwave on for about 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes is fine, and it'll produce a nice little steam bath inside the microwave and just loosen up any of the particles. And whereas most of the time I will use a cover over foods, other people that live in my home don't always remember to do that. So just about, a 1/4 cup of vinegar and then 2 parts water. You can also use lemon juice for the same purpose. And you can actually let the bowl of water sit in there and give the microwave a steam bath, or use the paper towel. So 2 of my 15-minute tasks are done. And this is my microwave plate cover when people need to warm up food. And I keep it in the microwave most of the time. So while people may forget to use it, I really don't know. But today the microwave is nice and clean. I'll see you tomorrow for 2 more 15-minute tasks. Cleaning the oven is one of my least favorite things, but that's what I'm going to do today. And it's really not as bad as it sounds. I should be able to get it done in about 15 or 20 minutes. I do have an oven liner in there, which I will be replacing. And I like to use these copper oven liners. I just ordered them from Amazon, and they really help to keep my oven clean. But over the past couple of holidays, I've had a lot of different people here in the kitchen putting things in and out of the oven, and sometimes people aren't as neat or as careful as I would prefer. So I do have a few little spills and messes that I do need to clean up. So since that's going to take me some time to do, I'll do another simple task like cleaning out my utensil drawer. So let's get that started. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but I just hate cleaning the oven. Now, in case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm lining the gaskets. One of the things that I learned from the Sears repair guy is you want to keep those gaskets dry. And I'm just using some of my husband's shop towels. If they get real nasty, I can just pitch them. I just picked these up for him on Amazon, so if you're interested, I'll put the link in the description box. But it's a way to keep him out of my good towels. And I just wash them up as needed. And the first thing I'm going to do is wet this door, this glass door, and sprinkle a little baking soda on it, so while that's sitting, it can be working on some of that grunge. And I'll just add a little bit more water to it now to make that paste and just kind of let it do its thing. I'll start by wiping out the different little crumbs and things that are in here. And I've got some vinegar and water in a bowl. Most of the grunge is right along here, right where my oven liner didn't reach. So this is looking a lot better right now. I am very pleased with how it's coming out. One of the important things to do is to let the baking soda and the vinegar do its work. Put it on, make kind of a little paste out of it, let it sit for a while, then get out your scrubbers. That way you don't have to use so much elbow grease. So let's get the racks back in. That took more like 25 minutes. Once I got to scrubbing on that oven door, it took a little bit longer than I expected to get it clean. And that's why I always put off cleaning the oven, because sometimes it takes longer than the time I want to devote to it. But I am so glad that I got it done. It's one of those things that had to be done, needed desperately to be done, and now I can check it off my list. So since that took a little bit more time and elbow grease than I anticipated, the other task that I'm going to do is just going to be to clean out my junk drawer, and that'll just be real quick, and no elbow grease is required. These are the manuals for some things we use in the kitchen all the time, so I like to keep them here in the back of the drawer. So I'll put those back there. These strings I reuse when I'm drying my herbs. I use them on the paper bags, so I keep those. Pencil. The rest of this is trash. These go elsewhere. So here we go. This drawer is done, and it took less than 10 minutes to do, and no elbow grease. My husband does something with this when he's in the kitchen. I'm not sure what, when he's working on his fibers or whatever. So he likes to keep this in the drawer. But these are other things that I reach for in the drawer often. So it's kind of just a little utility drawer. I don't want to say junk drawer, but it's a utility drawer because it's things that I reach for. And one homemaking task that is certainly part of the never-ending story is laundry. It's a good thing I don't mind laundry. It's actually one of my favorite things. To see more everyday homemaking, click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying that you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below for more homemaking inspiration, and I will see you next time. And don't forget to visit us at www.aprondiva.com.